Hi, I'm Denise Madden with the All Florida Home Team, and I'm in this beautiful community called Sonara at Malibu Bay in Homestead. I am so excited to take you inside to show you our newest listing, 1515 Northeast 36th Avenue in Homestead. Now, let's talk about the home itself. From the beautifully new tiled floors to the well-planned layout, this home is a true gem, a real model. What else is great about this home? It's conveniently located close to popular attractions like the Biscayne National Park, the Homestead Air Reserve Base, Homestead Miami Speedway, and of course, Baptist Health Homestead Hospital. If you're a nature lover, you will appreciate the nearby Biscayne Park. It boasts an array of stunning coral reefs, islands, mangrove forests. You can only access the park's reefs and islands by boat. But once you're there, you'll get to see dolphins playing, turtles, and pelicans in their natural habitat. Are you a race car enthusiast? Well, rev up your engines. You'll be excited to know that the 2023 NASCAR Cup Series 400 is just around the corner. And owning this home will put you in the perfect driver's seat, and you will be able to experience this thrilling event in October. We would love to show you this new listing, so call us today, 786-344-8004. This is Denise Madden and my partner Joel Fries from the All Florida Home Team.